All right, so we're looking at page 12 now. We are graphing in standard form. Last page, we just kind of pulled a bunch of information. Now we're gonna go ahead and graph. So, like always, I'm gonna label my A, B, and C. A is -2, B is -4, and C is 2. Remember to pull the signs along with it, right? To find my axis of symmetry, it's always at opposite B over 2A. So opposite -4 over 2 times -2. So 4 over -4, which is -1, the x value. Can you go ahead? I'm going to plot that axis of symmetry. Now to find my vertex, I'm going to plug -1 back in. So that would be -2 plus 4 plus 2, which is 4. So my vertex is -1, 4. So that point up there. I can easily find my y-intercept. Is always 0, c, so it's 0, 2 here. And then I can just reflect that over the axis of symmetry as well to be there. Now, my A value is negative. So I should open down, which I do. So I should always be able to check, hey, does it make sense what my graph looks like? My A is negative, I should look down, or flip down. So my points here, -1, 4, 0, 2, -2, 2. And then I just go ahead and graph. Now, my domain is going to be all real numbers. That graph is going to keep going out and out in the x direction. My range, however, is y equals. And since my A is negative, I have a max. And that max value is 4. So y is less than or equal to 4 here. Go ahead, try number 5 on your own here. All right, we'll come together now and we'll do this together. So as always, I like to label my A, B, and C values. So remember, there's no number there, it's just a 1. So A equals 1. B equals 4, C equals 3. My axis of symmetry falls to x equals opposite B over 2A, so -4 over 2 times 1. So that is -4 over 2, which is -2. To find my y value of the vertex, I just plug it in. So -2 squared plus 4 times -2 plus 3. -2 squared is 4, minus 8 plus 3. This would be -1. So my vertex is -2, -1. We'll go ahead and graph this really quick. So I'm going to graph that axis of symmetry at -2. And that vertex of -2, -1 is right here. Okay. My A value is positive, so I should open up, which means I should also have a minimum. Okay. So looking at the y-intercept, right? My y-intercept is always 0, c. So it is 0, 3 here. So it also means that if I reflect it over, 1, 2, I'm at -4, 3. So I'm gonna just connect my points. And I'm opening up, which is a good thing because A is positive, so I open up and have a minimum value. Again, my domain is all real numbers, and my range now is y is greater than or equal to that minimum value, which is -1. Right? So that is graphing in vertex form. Sorry, not vertex, standard form.